folks, how we doing? Alright, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to add a rear tire hugger to your KTM 390. The reason I'm doing is because it's raining now every single darn day and the rear tire of this bike really splatters the mud all over the rider or the pillion rider. Trust me, it has happened to me before. So I've came up with a solution to add a rear tire hugger. Although this bike already comes with a stock mudguard, but I don't know, that mudguard kinda sorta looks ugly. It doesn't really match the personality of this bike. So I came up with a solution. This tire hugger, actually this belongs to Pulsar 200 NS and it's a single-sided mudguard. Kinda looks better than the stock. So these are the two mounts. I'm gonna show you how to mount it in your KTM. So actually this bike is also my daily drive, so this is the reason I'm adding this mudguard. So you're gonna need this piece of metal. I've made it. It's a stainless steel 202 grade. You can see over here I've painted it black, and these two holes, this is where the tire hugger, the mudguard, is gonna mount, and this over here and this over here, it's gonna go right into your swing arm. Let me show you right here. You can see this bolt, this hole over here, it is also already threaded. So this hole is gonna go right above that mount, and this is gonna go right over here. So let me just you're gonna need a couple of Allen key nuts and bolts I've got over here. I'm gonna show you real quick how to add it. So first of all, we're gonna remove this Allen key bolt. This is a bolt, and it's a 6 mm bolt. It's gonna come right off. And you can see this piece of metal is gonna go right over here. Let's tighten it up. Make sure the threads have matched. And there is one bolt. It's gonna go right inside over here. Let me just grab the camera. I'm just gonna tighten it up. Make sure to use heavy duty metal, because there's a lot of air drag, and we don't want our because what can happen is this entire piece of metal can bend toward this side. Before I've done a beta test, and I used a thin plate over here. So what actually happened, that the entire plate kind of bent toward this side. So make sure this is actually a 6 mm wide angle built out of stainless steel 202 heavy duty. So let me just tighten up this bolt real nice. You can buy these nuts and bolts at any automobile store or any hardware store. These are actually industrial grade bolts I bought from mill store. So make sure to tighten it up real nice, real tight. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna tighten this up as well. Alright, here we go. You can see this piece of metal has been fixed over here pretty hard. Alright, so time to mount the mudguard right over here. It's gonna go right like this, you can see. So I'm gonna put these two nuts and bolts inside these mounts. Here we go. These nuts and bolts can also be bought from a local hardware store. So you can just mount this nut over here. And the front one is gonna go over here like this. Real nice. Alright, so use a 12 mm spanner over here to tighten up these bolts. Real nice, real tight. Here we go. Alright, here we go. We're done. You can see it kind of looks better. So if there's a misalignment, you can just align the center with this, the tire center with this over here. So if there's a misalignment, you can just bend this using a big piece of rod. These two pipes, they are not that hard. So actually in my previous beta version, what I did was this piece of metal was really loose, and we got a lot of air drag from this side, so it kind of pushed this mudguard toward this end, and this piece of metal bent. So make sure to use a really hard quality piece of metal over here. So you can see it actually kind of sort of looks nice. Let me just move the bike further ahead to get a clean shot. So here it is. Here's what it looks like. You can see over here. Kind of sort of looks better than the stock mudguard actually. Actually I've used it before, and a lot of people have given me positive feedback on this one. You can see, I again repeat, there's a lot of air drag, so make sure if you want to do the same, use a heavy piece of metal. You can see. You can set the alignment. So this is what it looks like. You can see. So let me know in the comment section below what do you think about it. So like I said before, this bike is also my daily drive, so there was definitely need of this tire hugger, and I also have a stock tire hugger lying around, but this one kind of looks better. So let me know in the comment section below what do you think about it. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, folks. Goodbye.